Welcome, magical friends. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of kitchen magic. Kitchen magic or kitchen witchcraft is all about using intention, ingredients, and rituals to manifest abundance, financial security, and wealth. Let's explore 12 ways to use kitchen magic for prosperity. First, let's start with cooking with intention. Your intention and visualization is the magical ingredient. While preparing your meals, visualize wealth and abundance coming into your life. Stir your food clockwise to manifest prosperity and speak affirmations or chants over your meals. While stirring, you can chant abundance flows, wealth will grow, prosperity in all I sow. You can also hover your hands over your meal and visualize a golden symbol of abundance, such as a $, flowing from your hands to your meal or drinks. Second, use herbs and spices that are known to attract wealth. Some magical choices include cinnamon, which attracts wealth and speeds up prosperity. Basil is also known as the herb of wealth, perfect for financial blessings. On bay leaves, write your intentions on a bay leaf and add it to soups or stews. Mint attracts luck and financial success. Thyme brings money, magic, and financial stability. These everyday ingredients hold incredible magical power. Third, baking can be a wonderful ritual for abundance. Whether it's bread, cookies, or cakes, each offers an opportunity to weave prosperity into your meals. Add rosemary or cinnamon to your bread for financial growth. Shape cookies into coins or pentacles to symbolize wealth. Decorate cakes with edible gold dust or green frosting to represent luxury. And don't forget to draw sigils or symbols for prosperity on your baked goods before baking. Fourth, let's brew prosperity with magical drinks. Stirring clockwise while making mint or basil tea, you can chant, "This tea brings wealth and abundance to me." You can make golden milk using turmeric for golden energy, cinnamon for wealth, and honey for sweetness in financial opportunities. Also, for coffee magic, add a pinch of cinnamon to your coffee while visualizing financial success. Fifth, prepare dishes with ingredients that symbolize abundance. You can make rice dishes for wealth and multiplication and add some saffron for luxury. Green vegetables like spinach and kale can be used for growth. Pumpkins for a bountiful harvest. Fish for abundance and success. These ingredients not only nourish your body, but also your financial energy. Remember, it's all about being intentional and putting your positive magical energy into your dishes and drinks. Sixth, sweeten financial opportunities with honey or sugar. Say, "As this honey sweetens my food, so too are my financial blessings sweetened." Use these ingredients in baking for prosperity-focused desserts. Seventh, draw sigils for wealth in flour, sugar, or salt before preparing meals. Add symbols like $, pentacles, or infinity loops to pie crusts or cookies. Eighth, use green or gold-colored utensils to attract prosperity. Bless your tools with prosperity oils like basil or cinnamon-infused oils to charge them with financial energy. Ninth, set up a prosperity altar in your kitchen. Include green or gold candles, coins, and herbs like bay leaves and cinnamon. Light a candle while you cook to energize your meals with abundance. 10th, create a simmer pot with ingredients like orange slices, bay leaves, and cinnamon sticks. Let it simmer while visualizing financial growth, and let the fragrant steam fill your home with abundant energy. 11th, when harvesting fresh herbs or vegetables, speak words of gratitude and abundance. For example, may this bounty bring prosperity to my home. Clean your kitchen with basil or mint infused sprays to remove financial blockages and invite opportunities. And there you have it, 12 powerful ways to use kitchen magic for prosperity. By infusing your cooking and kitchen routines with these magical practices, you can align your energy with financial success and abundance. Whether it's a sprinkle of cinnamon or a heartfelt affirmation, the magic you create in your kitchen can ripple through every part of your life. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know in the comments how you bring magic into your kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking and abundant blessings. Subscribe for more magical tips and tricks. Blessed be.